Okay, so first I'm connected over serial to the BEL, the drive that I have. I have 520 EtherCAT firmware inside of it, and I'm in COE mode, so the drive is all ready to go here for the main device. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the ESI file generator, type in 520 in here, because that matches the firmware version I have. I'm going to check the BEL checkbox. I'm going to select slots because TwinCAT uses the slots modular device protocol. Then I'm going to click this button, Get ESI, and then this link. After I have that file, I'm just going to unzip it, and I'm going to put it in this location on my computer, the TwinCAT ESI file repository. And that's pretty much it. After that, I'm ready to start TwinCAT. And I'll create a new XAE project. And then I will scan for the drive under I/O. There's the devices. Right click it, select scan. It was able to find the drive on my Ethernet adapter here. So I'll go ahead and click OK. We will scan for boxes. And we will append an NC configuration. We will also activate free run. So it found the drive here, and we appended an NC configuration to the drive. So that's a task running here on our computer, a controller task. We can see it here, this task. And this is used to easily enable and control the drive. So it has an online controller function here. We can use that to test the functionality and actually control command motion. So if for some reason this didn't show up for you, so like if I go in here and I remove it, and then let's say reload, now that NC configuration goes away. I can just go to motion, can add a new item, and we'll do an NC configuration, click OK. Now we get this. What we have to do is just select the axis. Let me see here. Yeah, axis, add a new item, continuous motion. Okay. And then we will link to our drive right here. And that's it. So then after you do that, you will go ahead and activate the configuration. So first I'll save, then I'll just rebuild the solution. Now we can see the NC tasks were generated for us. That's great. Now I'll go ahead and activate it. So you click this activate button. That'll actually download the solution. Now we're in run mode, so the drive is being commanded now. It's enabled. Well, it's not enabled yet, but it's being commanded. The EtherCAT frames are being sent out at 100 megabits per second. So now I'm going to enable the drive. So if we look at the CME control panel, I'm not enabled yet. We can see here the motor output's not active. So if I go in here and I check these check boxes and I do 100%, now I can see that the motor output is active. So now we're controlling the drive. The drive is enabled by the EtherCAT main device, TwinCAT. So now I can jog it in the positive and negative direction. I can jog continuously here. I can If I get any issues, like if these plus plus and minus minus, that's for jogging very fast. And here I can see, oh, I got a following error fault. Okay, well, I'll go ahead and just click this R button. That'll get rid of that error. So if I try to go too fast, get the error code here, reset it, and then I hit this button. Now I can continually jog in a velocity mode. So we have a nice positive jog, and we're going at about 130 RPM. And yeah, so this is all done with this control panel mode in TwinCAT. I can also go into the Functions tab here. If you wanted to test out making absolute moves, relative moves, all these different kinds of moves, you could do that here as well. So yeah, this is very handy, a very nice way of testing the TwinCAT functionality before you go ahead and use it inside of a program. And we'll go into that in the next video.